Hello, everybody. Welcome back to English Spark US, the place where we ignite your passion for learning English. I'm Emily.
And hey there, everyone. I'm Leo. It is fantastic to be back behind the microphone with all of you today.
It really is, Leo, but I have to be honest. Are you okay? You look a little different today.
I am doing great, Emily, but I have a bit of a crisis. Just look at my head. It is a complete disaster zone.
Oh, I see. Your hair is definitely enthusiastic today. It's sticking up everywhere.
Exactly. I forgot to check the mirror. But Emily, tell me the truth. What do I do about this mess? Seriously, Emily, my hair is getting in my eyes. It is covering my ears. I feel like I look like a wild mountain bear who just woke up from hibernation.
You do look a little bit wild, Leo, but don't panic. This is actually the perfect opportunity for our lesson today. Since you look like a bear, we need to fix it.
Fix it? That sounds promising. What is the plan?
Today, we are going to learn all the essential vocabulary for going to get a haircut and visiting the beauty salon.
That is exactly what I need. But wait, do I go to a salon or is there another place for me?
Great question, Leo. In English, we usually separate the places based on the type of service. For men, like you typically go to a barber shop.
Okay, a barber shop. And the person cutting my hair is the barber. That sounds manly.
Exactly. And for women, or for longer, more complex styles, we go to a beauty salon, or just the salon. The professional there is called a hairdresser or a stylist.
Got it. Barber for me, stylist for you. So I am ready to go right now. I'll just run out the door.
Hold on, Leo. You can't just run in yet. Do you know the first thing you need to ask for before you even leave your house?
Before I leave the house, do I need my wallet? Keys?
Well, yes, but you need to call them first. Most good barbers are busy. You need to make an appointment.
Ah, an appointment. That means reserving a specific time slot, right?
Correct. You would call and say, "Hi, I would like to make an appointment for a haircut on Tuesday." It ensures you don't have to wait for hours.
That is smart. I am usually terrible with planning. What if I just show up without calling? Is that rude?
Not always. There is actually a specific word for people who show up without a reservation. Do you know what it is?
I have no idea. A surprise guest?
Close. It is called a walk-in. You'll see signs on windows that say walk-ins welcome. This means you can enter without an appointment, but you might have to wait.
Okay, I like walk-ins. I'm spontaneous. So imagine I walk in and it is my turn. I sit in that big, comfortable leather chair.
The barber chair. I love those. They spin around and pump up and down.
Then they take that big sheet and throw it over you. I always feel like a superhero.
That sheet is called a cape. It keeps the hair off your clothes. But once the cape is on, the barber asks the scariest question of all.
I know this part. They stand behind you, look in the mirror, and say, "So, what are we doing today?"
Exactly. Or they ask, "How do you want it cut?"
My mind always goes blank, Emily. I get so nervous. I usually just mumble something. I need English words to explain what I want.
Don't worry, Leo. That is why we're here. Let's start with the easiest request. If you like your current style, but it's just too long, what do you say?
I'm not sure. Make it shorter?
You could, but there's a much better, specific word that guarantees they won't cut too much off. The magic word is trim. You say, "Just a trim, please."
Just a trim. T-R-I-M. What does that mean exactly?
It means cutting off the dead ends or shortening it just a tiny bit to make it look neat. It keeps the same style, just cleaner.
Just a trim. That feels safe. I like that. But Emily, look at me today. A trim isn't enough. I look like a jungle.
You're right, Leo. You need a real haircut. You need to describe the length.
How do I describe different lengths on different parts of my head without getting confused?
It's simple. Break it down by sections. Usually men want it shorter on the sides and longer on the top.
Okay, so I literally say, I want it short on the sides and a little longer on top.
Perfect. That is a classic, standard request. It's very clear.
Classic is good. But sometimes I hear that loud buzzing sound in the barber shop, the electric machine. What is that called?
Those are clippers, and if you want the barber to use them, the vocabulary changes completely. Do you know the name of the haircut that uses only the machine?
Is that the military style, where you have almost no hair left?
Yes, that is called a buzz cut, because of the buzz sound the clippers make.
No, no, no. I do not want a buzz cut. I want to keep my hair. I have a weird-shaped head. I need hair to cover it.
Okay, no buzz cut for Leo, but you can use clippers for a fade.
A fade. Like when a movie ends and the screen goes black?
Sort of. A fade is when the hair starts very short at the neck, almost skin, and gradually gets longer as it goes up your head. It blends perfectly.
A fade sounds very modern and stylish. I might try that. But Emily, we're forgetting something important.
What is that?
My face! I have this messy beard growing. Does the barber help with that?
Absolutely. You can ask for a beard trim or a shave.
A shave is with the razor, right? To make the skin smooth?
Yes, a hot towel shave is very relaxing. But for you, maybe just a trim to tidy it up?
Okay, so I'm set. But what about you, Emily? The salon seems much more complicated than the barber shop. What happens there?
Oh, the salon is my happy place. It's not just a haircut, it's an experience. The best part happens before the scissors even touch my hair.
Before the cut? Do they give you coffee?
Sometimes, but I mean the shampoo. I sit in a chair, lean my head back into a special sink, and they wash my hair for me.
That sounds awkward. Doesn't it hurt your neck?
Not if the chair is good. And the best part, the scalp massage. They massage your head while washing it.
Okay, I'm jealous. Barbers usually don't do the massage. But what happens after the washing?
After the wash, we go to the chair for the cut. But after the cut, we do a blow dry.
A blow dry? That is just using the hairdryer, isn't it? I do that at home.
It is different at the salon, Leo. They use a round brush and the hot air to give the hair volume and bounce. It looks shiny and perfect, like a movie star.
I see. Volume is a good word. It means the hair looks big and full, not flat.
Exactly. But sometimes a cut isn't enough. Sometimes we want to change our appearance completely with color.
Ah, you mean painting your hair.
We call it dyeing your hair, D-Y-E. You can dye it all one color, like going from blonde to brunette.
Or purple. I think you would look good with purple hair, Emily.
Maybe one day, but usually I prefer highlights.
Highlights? Is that like using a marker on a book?
That's funny. No, highlights are when they dye small strands of your hair a lighter color. It makes it look like the sun is shining on your hair.
That sounds expensive.
It can be. But Leo, what if you want a specific style, but you forget all these words we just learned? Is there a cheat code?
A cheat code? You mean a trick?
Yes, the #1 best tip for English learners and even native speakers at the salon.
Please tell me. I get so anxious describing things.
Bring a photo.
A photo? Like on my phone?
Yes, find a picture of a celebrity or a model who has the hair you want. Show it to the barber. Say, I want to look like this.
That is genius. I will find a picture of Brad Pitt. Make me look like him.
The barber is a stylist, Leo, not a magician, but it will help with the hair. Now, the salon isn't just for hair, is it?
I know this one. They also do nails.
Correct. We have the manicure and the pedicure.
Manicures for the hands, pedicures for the feet. But Emily, be honest, are those just for women?
Not at all, Leo. Men get manicures too. It is called grooming, and it is very important to have clean hands.
I guess you are right. Looking at my hands, my fingernails are a bit rough.
A manicure cleans the nails, cuts them, and shapes them. It's very hygienic.
Shaping them? Do they use scissors for that?
They use nail clippers to shorten them, but they use a file to shape them.
A file? That is the rough stick, right? Like sandpaper?
Yes, it smooths the edges so they don't snag on your clothes. And then, for women usually, we add polish.
Polish is the paint. Red, blue, pink.
Exactly. But if you are a man or you don't want color, you can ask to just buff the nails.
Buff? B-U-F-F? Like a muscular guy?
Same spelling, different meaning. To buff the nails means to rub them until they are naturally shiny and smooth. No paint involved.
Buffing sounds okay. I can do that. Now, what about the feet? The pedicure?
Oh, Leo, if you have never had a pedicure, you are missing out. They soak your feet in warm, bubbly water.
Warm water does sound nice after standing all day.
It is amazing. They scrub your heels to make the skin soft, trim the toenails, and give you a foot massage.
You had me at foot massage. I think I need to book a pedicure immediately.
You should. It's all part of self-care.
Self-care. We hear that word a lot lately. It means taking care of yourself, right?
Yes, and it is not just vanity. When your hair is fresh and your nails are clean, how do you feel?
I feel lighter, more confident. I walk with my head high.
Exactly. You look in the mirror and think, I am ready for anything.
It is true. A simple haircut can change your whole mood. It's powerful stuff.
And practicing your English at the salon is a great way to build confidence too. It's a very social environment.
So, I have my plan. I'm going to the barber shop. I'm going to ask for a trim on the beard and a fade on the hair.
And don't forget the photo.
Right, the photo of Brad Pitt. And maybe next week I will try that pedicure.
I am proud of you, Leo. Let's quickly review the big words for our listeners. Barber for men, salon for women.
Trim for a small cut, buzz cut for the machine, dye for color.
And manicure for hands, pedicure for feet. You guys are ready.
I feel ready. I'm going to run to the barber right now before they close.
Go, Leo, go! And for all of you listening, we have a question for you. Do you prefer long hair or short hair?
And tell us, are you brave enough to try a new style, or do you always get the same cut? Let us know in the comments.
Please make sure to subscribe to the English Spark US channel, like this video, and share it with a friend who needs a haircut.
Thanks for listening, everyone. Stay sharp and keep learning.
See you next time. Bye!